In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel NordVPN auto renewal and get a refund. If you've decided NordVPN isn't the right fit, I'll walk you through the exact process to stop future charges and request your money back under the 30-day money-back guarantee. First, head to the official NordVPN website and sign into your account. It's best to do this on a desktop browser so the menu labels match what you'll see here. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard, which is where you'll manage your plan and billing. Next, go to the billing section, then open subscriptions. Find your active plan and choose cancel auto renewal. Confirm any prompts you see. This stops your subscription from renewing at the end of the current period. You'll keep access for the time you've already paid for, but you won't be charged again. It's a good idea to note the confirmation message so you can refer to it later if you need to. Now, contact NordVPN support right away to start the refund process. You can reach them through the live chat widget on the website or by email through their support page. Live chat is usually the fastest option and is available 24/7. Let them know you've canceled auto renewal and want a refund. When you connect with support, clearly state that you're requesting a refund and that you're canceling within the 30-day money-back guarantee. That phrasing helps the agent quickly identify your eligibility and move things along. Keep your message short and polite, something like, "Hi, I'm canceling within the 30-day guarantee and would like a refund for my current plan." Follow the prompts from the support agent. They may ask you to verify your identity, which can include confirming account details or answering security questions, and they'll provide a refund summary for you to review. Read it carefully so you know the amount, the payment method that will be credited, and the estimated timeline. Once you confirm, the refund will be submitted. Processing times can vary by bank or payment provider, so it may take several business days to appear on your statement. That's it. Log in, cancel auto renewal, contact support, request the refund under the 30-day guarantee, and complete the verification steps they provide. You should receive a confirmation from NordVPN once the refund is initiated. If anything seems unclear, keep your chat transcript or ticket number handy for reference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make the process quick and stress-free.